Hi, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to turn it off, we should press and hold the power key button for a few seconds. So now we could see, hold the power button, volume button to power off. Okay, so we could see that with the press and hold only to the power key button, we got here the Google Assistant application. Just to turn off your device, you should press and hold power off and volume up button, and just by slide to the down this white dot. But if you want to use only the power key to turn off your device, you should open first these settings and then scroll down to the special features, click to gesture and motions, and you'll see here the okay, now let's go back, tap to additional settings and to power button. You will see here press and hold power button and switch voice assistant to power menu, and by this way you will just use the power button only to turn off your device. So then just slide to the down to the power off this white dot, wait a second, and after the vibration the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.